For 2019, Honda introduces the exclusive CRF450R Works Edition, a race replica premium model that stands out in performance and style. Unique to this bike.
That does look nice.
Yes, it's a beautiful machine, sir. And as I was saying, unique to this...
You say it's exclusive?
That's right. It's a limited edition model. Demand will be high. That's because the 450RWE features a cylinder head that's been hand-ported by Honda's factory engineers, producing more mid-range and over-rev power.
Hand-ported. That's fun to say.
Yes, hand-ported. It also has premium race-spec D.I.D LT-X rims, lightweight Yoshimura mufflers, titanium nitride-coated forked lower legs, and a shock shaft that reduce friction. A factory-spec gripper seat to keep you from sliding around, and an RK gold chain.
Gold chains.
Not that kind of gold chain. This RK chain is a race-spec upgrade that provides superior durability.
These gold chains make my neck turn green.
That's because they're probably not real gold, sir.
Good point.
For absolute style and the absolute hole shot, there's the all-new 2019 CRF450R Works Edition from Honda.
Gold chains.